Cardano ADA is a cryptocurrency that is going to the moon. This thing can possibly 10x from here to December. Yes, 10x. We are at 90 cents right now. Cardano is projected by a lot of big names in the crypto world to hit at least $10 by December. That is crazy. That is life-changing money. That is money that can make a poor man rich and a rich man mega wealthy. In this video, we are going to be breaking down Cardano ADA on a technical chart. We are going to be giving price predictions, and based on a technical analysis, we are going to be talking about what is next for Cardano in the short term. Stay tuned. All right, guys, also let me know in the comments before we get started with the video. Let me know right now in the comments, what is your price target for Cardano the end of the year? All right, guys, before we get into the video, my name is Miles and I have been day trading and investing for over 12 years. I have a lot of experience in this industry and I am here to help you. So make sure you subscribe because you do not want to miss out on any videos that I put out. I cover videos on hot stocks and cryptocurrencies. My videos help you make your money quickly and securely. So you do not want to miss out on my videos because they are time sensitive and I call out big plays before they happen and before they explode and when things are about to go south. So make sure you subscribe and smash that like button as it helps to support my channel. All right, guys, make sure you join the Discord below where you can chat with me and ask me any questions and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. The links also for my Patreon where I put out trade alerts for cryptocurrencies and stocks are below as well. So without further ado, let's break it down. All right, Cardano ADA has been breaking out of the box. This thing is going to the moon and it is breaking higher levels every single day. This is altcoin season. This is Bitcoin season. This is the time for us to make a lot of money in this crypto bull run. Now, Cardano ADA is one of these leaders in this race, leading this race to the moon with all of these cryptos. Now, Cardano ADA, let me explain briefly what it is. So Cardano is basically the blockchain network that the cryptocurrency ADA is used upon. And basically, we can think of this as similar to Ethereum, because Ethereum, we have Ethereum, which is the blockchain network, which over 100 cryptocurrencies run upon, and then ETH, which is the currency that runs and transfers through the Ethereum network. Now, this is actually what a lot of people are beginning to realize, a better ETH. It is a better Ethereum because it is so much more cheaper to do these transfers from money from one place to another. It is also faster. So we believe that this thing is going to be competing with Ethereum in the future, especially as countries, as institutions, as people become to be more aware of what Cardano ADA is able to do. Now, the whole premise of this is so that we can have a decentralized, now the whole premise and reason for the creation of this blockchain network and this currency is so that me and you, we the people, can control the markets. We can control the money. It doesn't matter who we are, what type of social class you are, what race, what is your economic status. No, this is for us so that we can build the future. We can create the future. Okay, so with that understood, this is going to be competing with Ethereum. So a lot of people are just beginning to realize how awesome this thing is. And this is the reason why this thing is being bought up. But this is just the beginning. This is like Bitcoin. This is like Ethereum when it was pennies, when it was just a few measly pennies. So this is our opportunity to create for us life-changing experiences through our investment and capitalizing on the best opportunities in front of us. Me personally, this is just one of the best investments that I will probably ever be able to make. If I would have bought Bitcoin or Ethereum in the early times, this is pretty much equivalent to it. It's a little bit different, but this thing is going to be competing with Ethereum. And Ethereum is at $2,000, and we are going to be seeing Ethereum possibly $30,000 to $40,000 by the end of the year. But this thing, we are expecting it to hit $9 to $10. In my current price prediction, is that we can hit $2 by the end of February. Based on technical analysis and the way that this thing is just going up parabolically, we could easily see $2 by the end of February. And my price prediction is going to be $8 by the end of the year. A lot of people are projecting $10, but I would conservatively say and just give it a low shot that we could hit $8 for sure by the end or somewhere in December. And that is my prediction. And that is how I truly feel about this thing. But it's possible that this thing could be worth hundreds or even thousands of dollars in the future. Just like Bitcoin and Ethereum, they were at these levels, but they hit thousands. They hit 50,000. We're looking at Bitcoin, $50,000, and Bitcoin was closely priced to where we are at now, Cardano ADA. All right, guys, we have said a good bit about Cardano ADA, but we need to break down Cardano ADA on a technical level. This is the most important for us. This gives us so much more information than just fundamentals. It lets us know the price movement. It lets us know that where Cardano ADA is going to be going in the short term and most likely in the weeks to come. So what I have created from this level here, from basically February 1st, we've seen a massive rise at that point. This was where we were at about 40 cents. A lot of people got in at 40 cents. I got in around that time. But if we take a look by just creating a trend line from our levels of support and creating a trend line from our levels of resistance, we see that we are traveling in this upwards channel. An upwards channel, when you create a trend line on the levels of support and the levels of resistance, it shows us a bullish pattern for the short term and in the long term. So when we see an upwards channel, we can be pretty sure to bet that we are going to continue, even though we might retrace a little bit, even though we might retrace to 81 cents, or even though we might retrace to 87 cents, we can be pretty sure that we are probably going to continue to bounce off these levels of support that are created by these previous levels of support, which have helped us to draw a pattern that is giving us the momentum, that is giving us the direction of this current trade and play. All right, so if we continue to travel similarly to this, look, we were overextended a little bit in these areas and we fell down. Look, our top was here. We were a little bit overextended. We got bought up and we came down. A little overextended, came down. But what we are seeing is just a small little retracement. And if we measure it from here to there, we're looking at 10% retracement, no greater than that, somewhere around there, but not closing in that retracement. We're looking at a 6 to 7% correction. So it's possible that we could see a similar correction. So it is possible that we could travel to this 87 cents to see a correction, but then get immediately bought back up, which is possible that we would then hit $1.05 at that point, then come back down a little bit to maybe another 10 to 5% correction, and then who knows what can happen at this point. But based on our current analysis and looking at the current trend, we can easily see $1.10, $1.20 just in the relative short term from how much this thing has grown. Look, just a couple days ago, we were at 68 cents. And if we're going to continue to grow at that type of speed, we could easily see $1.15 within the next couple of days. Maybe by Valentine's, we could see $1.15. We could see possibly $1.30. I feel like that could be a very close target for us to reach. But what we can do is we're going to continue to travel in this channel. But what happens is if we can break out of this channel, that we can see even higher trajectory, a faster trajectory with this price movement to the upside, which means that we could hit higher levels than currently expected with our technical analysis. But we must be careful. If we see us breaking to the downside, there could be a massive correction, something we need to be careful for. But based on our current technical analysis and our current level of trading in this upwards channel, that doesn't seem very likely. And based on the current bull market, we have all these altcoins. We have Bitcoin, which is helping to carry all of the little altcoins, including Ethereum. When we see Ethereum, they're going to continue to help ADA Cardano continue to move up. So I see us at $2 by the end of February. And that is not a long shot. That is very common, especially at these prices, especially as more news begins to be hyped up about Cardano ADA, more people can adopt it, more institutional investing. These types of things can bring Cardano to $5 to $10 very quickly. When these things get bought up at these levels, and especially when Cardano's technology that is possibly better than Ethereum, that a lot of people are projecting, it's cheaper, it's faster. With this type of information that is known, and certain people purchasing it up, it could really bring a lot of hype, a lot of news to Cardano, which would really bring Cardano up to our $9 and $10 price target, even possibly way before December. So that is my current prediction. I believe that we can see $2 by the end of February, and I'm looking at $8, $9 by December. So if you guys like today's video, please smash that like button and make sure to subscribe, because I put out videos on cryptocurrencies and stocks every single day. And make sure to join the Discord, which is below. It is free during this time being, and also my Patreon is below. If you want some personal finance coaching, if you want coaching to help build a portfolio or learn how to invest in the stock market, my Patreon will give you those services and opportunities. You can also reach out to me through email, which will be provided below as well. So I hope you guys have a great night. I will see you soon.